Okay, we got day 5 here, and I'm not going out today to do a car. I got regular locksmith job to do, and I also have a camera job to go quote on with my partner, who's another old dude. So I want to take you inside. We're gonna go here. Let's switch it around. And we got a friend of mine. It's a neighbor. Whoops, that's what. Got to get that. But having a neighbor of mine had a problem with his door, so we're putting it on. One of the what he did. Oh, this is Boaz.
Shalom.
He says shalom. You speak any English?
Of course.
Oh, say hello to everybody.
Hello everybody. How are you today? This is my neighbor Avram. He's professional with key. He can open every door in the world.
See that?
Even the door to paradise. He can open it for you.
You see that? So here we're putting this lock together. He was having trouble because he didn't understand how to balance out the lock. So there's a certain thing. You want to hold this for a second for me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I want to show you guys something. Is that? You have to when
This you need also.
Oh, okay. So when you do a lock,
Yeah.
right? What you do is you see here. If you don't put it a few times and to see if you can get the key to come. See when the key to come out. This is the old lock, so it's a little problem. So you have to do it a couple times that way. Pull it. Now it's ready to go into the lock. If you don't do that,
don't put it in the door.
right, it doesn't work.
Of
You know,
course.
a person that doesn't know about that's thinking,
Or you can go out from the house, but leave the key in the door.
right, and that's what happened to Boaz.
And say to the feet, to the tip, don't touch it.
See that? So that was really important, and this was the problem he was having. He was like, "Oh my!" Because he was trying to do it himself, and he had that problem. That people don't know that. It's real simple. You just have to do a couple times this way to where the position. You know, where you would pull the key out. Hang on, it's over here, right? And then you do it the other way. Do the same thing, right? Do the same thing a couple times that way, and then boom.
Wonderful.
That's it, and then you got your thing. Now we're going to reassemble everything. We already did it, and that's it. Okay, we're gonna go to the camera job in a little bit to go give a quote. So we'll see you over there. So that went well. Hey, as my eyes are looking over there, I guess. There's the camera. There. Okay, so that went well. What happened was originally he just came because he had problems. The neighbor, and which, if you don't know what you're doing, that's what happens. So fortunately, he has a locksmith next door. I'm not just an auto locksmith guy, but I do house and business, and I also do cameras too, the security cameras. We're gonna go over in a little bit. Like I told you, we're gonna go meet Pinchas, my partner on that one. Anyway, so that was a quick, little cashy-roo in the pocket. I told him I didn't want any money, but he insisted, so who am I to say no to cash? Anyway, so there you go, little quickie job, and let's go to the next situation and, see if we can't close a deal on that bad boy. Yeah. So it turned out that the person that we were going to go visit to give a quote on for the camera job wasn't home. So taking a little rest now, and then not going to go out and do the key thing. I got a bunch of other things that I do. I'm also the marketing director for a pre-military academy here in Israel. So I'm going to give it a selfless plug over here. So if you're a young Jewish man out of high school and want to have a religious experience and prepare for the IDF, go to idfprep.org. That's idfprep.org. Okay, that's my commercial, man. I'm also a voiceover talent, so you can hear the voice, right? So you can go to that one, abrahamvanismach.com, and you'll see some of the stuff that I've done. I'll put that down in the links below, probably. Maybe I'll put a little thing on with the editing. I can write stuff, so I could do that too. So, in Israel, being an immigrant, it's something which you kind of, you got to do what you got to do, There's a whole bunch of things that I'm doing, not just the locksmith. So, as you can see, I'm the automotive locksmith. I'm a home, and business locksmith. I'm a home and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'm a voiceover talent. Okay. that was me erasing and restarting, right? Okay, now I'm restarting. Where was I? Oh yeah. So anyway, yeah. So do a lot of things here, So gotta, when you come, I came at age 45 when I made what's called Aliyah, which is immigrated to Israel, and had to reinvent myself. Didn't have any Hebrew, and not much to speak of. And I had a struggle in the beginning, but it was my dream, and I followed my dream, and I'm at it again now with my startup over here. It's cool, right? So anyway, I've got to go do a bunch of stuff for what's called the Mechina, that pre-military academy, and got to get that together. I still have even marketing stuff for AutoKey Now, and there's never a dull moment. But tonight, man, we don't celebrate an official Thanksgiving here, and today is the Thanksgiving in America. But interesting enough, this is really interesting that the same word for turkey in Hebrew is thanks. Isn't that funny? Hodu, right? It's hodu is a turkey, which means thanks. So there you go. So we're gonna have a hodu lashem, means thanks to God, meal with some friends. And it's going to be good, man. I'm looking forward to that bad boy. Maybe I'll throw a video of it while we're, because it's still in day 5. I don't even know if anybody's watching this. If you are, put down in the chat. Say hello, shalom, or whatever your language, hello in your language is. Shoot me out something like that, okay? All right, so, I'll be probably back later at the Hodu, or who knows, somebody might call me. I don't know, man, but I got to go down and take care of that stuff for the Pre-Military Academy. I got later tonight, I got to do a voiceover job. And, that's after the whole, and I got a meeting, forgot another thing, because we're trying to build a synagogue here, a Beit Knesset, a shul, a brand new one here in my town. And so I'm part of the building committee, so I'm going to do that tonight. And then after that, I got my appointment with a customer for voiceover. And all before that, I'm going to eat some turkey, man. It's going to be kind of hard because, after you eat that turkey, man, it's time for what's called a shluff, man. Shluff, it's Yiddish. Yiddish for a nap, man, or sleep. Go take a nap, man. So, all right. That's the story at this moment. And, I won't be going out tomorrow because it's Friday, and Friday is the day before Shabbat. Oh, wait a minute. That's not true. I'm going tomorrow. Usually the day before Shabbat, the Sabbath, we prepare and get things together. But we're going away. We're going out for that, so we don't have to prepare for anything this one. And I have that customer. So we are going to be meeting tomorrow, going over that particular job and how it goes. Okay, looking forward to that, man. So I'll see you at the Hodu tonight. The Hodu, the thanks. Yeah, it's gonna be good, man. All right.